What does a PC motherboard chipset actually do? Imagine your computer as a busy city where traffic needs to flow smoothly between different neighborhoods. The motherboard chipset acts like the city's traffic controller, making sure everything moves efficiently. It is a set of electronic components on the motherboard that manages communication between the central processing unit, memory, storage devices, graphics cards, and other peripherals. Think of it as the central hub that keeps all parts talking to each other without chaos. The chipset supports hardware compatibility by deciding which types of processors, memory modules, and peripherals can work with your motherboard. It controls data transmission by managing pathways called buses that carry information between the CPU, memory, and expansion cards. It also regulates the speed and timing of these data transfers to keep your system stable and performing well. In older computers, the chipset was split into two parts, the northbridge and southbridge. The northbridge handled high-speed connections like the CPU, memory, and graphics cards. The southbridge managed slower connections such as USB ports, hard drives, and audio devices. Today, many functions of the northbridge are built directly into the CPU itself, leaving the chipset, often called the platform controller hub, to handle other peripheral connections and lower-speed data. The chipset provides interfaces to connect external devices through USB ports, SATA connectors for hard drives and solid-state drives, PCI Express slots for graphics cards and expansion cards, and network connections. It also manages power by monitoring and regulating voltage and power consumption, ensuring your system runs reliably and efficiently. When building a custom PC, choosing the right chipset is very important. It determines what your motherboard can support, like how many PCI Express lanes you get for graphics cards or NVMe solid-state drives. Some chipsets support overclocking, which allows you to boost your CPU's performance. For example, a high-end chipset might support multiple graphics cards and faster data transfer standards, while a budget one might limit these options. Emerging technology is pushing chipsets to evolve further. They are now integrating more functions directly into the CPU, reducing latency and improving power efficiency. Support for faster standards like PCI Express 5.0 and USB 4 is making computers more powerful and responsive. In essence, the motherboard chipset is the backbone that manages how all parts of your computer communicate. It provides the essential connections and controls power to keep everything running smoothly. Without it, your PC would be a jumble of disconnected parts. It is a key piece in both traditional and modern computers, making sure your system works as a cohesive unit.